So today's beach day. We're gonna have a lot of fun there. Goals are to have fun at the beach, obviously, but we're gonna go to Hulk Hogan's restaurant, and I'm gonna drink my first beer there. Maybe, I don't know, because I hear you brought your iPad.
Yeah.
Kason, are you excited to go to the beach? The beach we're going to, by the way, is Clearwater Beach, Florida.
Daddy, talk. Daddy, talk to me.
Now, before we even go to the beach or even go to the restaurant, I have to replace one of my lenses for the GoPro because we ended up breaking the GoPro lens yesterday for sure. I mean, we ended up dropping it maybe the first day we got here to Universal, and it was pretty bad. But now it's even worse because it dropped again yesterday and the whole middle of the lens just got scratched out. So, you know, we're here at Best Buy. Again, there it is right there, the Max Lens mod. $100, man, to switch it out again. That sucks. Gonna have to get it. And of course, Kason wants a toy, huh? What do you want a toy for? Which one do you want? You gonna show me? Show me. Take me there. Dang, some of these toys are tight. We went in to get one thing and we left with a whole bunch of stuff. I got a MLB The Show because I love baseball, but the cover for the steelbook is freaking amazing. And Kason got himself a toy / game. Sam got himself some games. And then obviously we got the Max Mod lens, which we're probably gonna have to change soon because I don't think I want to change that at the beach. We are on our way to
The beach.
the beach, yeah. But huh?
Look what I bought.
Look what he bought. Look, I mean, yeah. He totally has money to buy that. Look what he bought. Good job, Kason. So we're gonna be eating at Hulk Hogan's restaurant. That's the place I really wanted to try.
Turn right onto Bath Street.
But it's gonna take us 2 hours to get there.
Are we going there first?
Yep. That's the first place we're going. Then we're gonna hit the beach for some awesome surf stuff. I don't even think you can surf there. And hopefully the water's actually clear because, you know, it's called Clearwater.
It's blue. No, it's hot. It's hot too. In the ocean because it's hot.
So after a long, almost 3-hour drive because of traffic, we're finally here in Clearwater Beach, Florida. We're here at Hogan's Takeout. We're gonna get some food. Now, this is my, I've been waiting for this the whole trip to come to this spot. So we got some appetizers, we got some mozzarella sticks, some peel and eat shrimp, I think that's what it's called. And we got Kason like a little pizza because he's been on a pizza grind since he's been here. Here it is, the peel and eat shrimp, the mozzarella sticks. That looks super good. In Kason's pizza. Ooh, baby. This looks super good though. I can't wait to eat that. Sam got the hangout burger. I got the house burger. Last time I got the loaded fries. So, thank you. Yeah. Dude, those loaded fries look amazing. I mean, the loaded nachos, sorry. They look super good. I can't believe she's gonna eat it all.
No, I'm not.
Give it a try. It's some pretty big meat here. Here we go. Now this is great girth right here. Here we go, guys. 3, 2, 1.
You're welcome.
That is good. That's a good burger. I love a burger with a lot of meat in it, amongst other things. Okay, so that last bite doesn't count because I didn't get no bacon in it, so we're gonna try and go for the bacon this time. Let's see, here we go. A nice greasy burger. Heck yeah. Not bad. 8 ounce. Pretty good. And I had to get the tea. Which I'm a big fan of. The tea's really, really good. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this and we're gonna head to the beach.
Thank y'all so much, y'all.
So after having that awesome food, we're heading to Clearwater Beach and it's gonna be a good one. Dude, this sand is super bright and I think I hate it. Let's go. Oh my gosh, this is soft. Holy smokes. You excited? Yeah, me too. Let's go get in the water. Let's see what the Atlantic Ocean got for us today. Sam, we're going to the Black Sea. I don't know.
Pull it down for it. Kason,
Go,
pull
Kason,
it out.
go. It's the only time you're able to do this. It's not windy at all.
Why are I walking slow?
Come on, let's go test it out. Just a little bit. Oh, it's warm.
It's cold.
No, it's not. Come on. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on. Give me your hand. Let's go. We're gonna go in deep, all the way in there. We're going in deep. Come on. Look at this. Come on. Oh, cases. No. No. Coming with me. We're going into the water. We're going into the water. Here's the go back. Where are you going? He's gone. Come on! I love Kason. We're gonna go out a little bit, swim. Maybe get some cool footage. That would be pretty awesome. Oh god, that hurt! Oh my nuts! Super warm, man. I like it a lot. When I had goggles, if I had goggles, I'd probably go out even further. Casey's the one that wanted to come to the beach too, and he's not even here. Gosh darn it! He's all the way back over there. Casey. Huh? Okay, go for it. Oh, that's messed up. Kason. Yeah, we're goggle bros out here. Come on, Kason. Here we go. Leslyn, my love, God has blessed me by putting you in my life. You saved me from a future unknown. Now all I think about is the future with you and our kids. You have given me some of the best years of my life during the darkest time of my life. I am forever grateful that you've never given up on me when others would have. I know my family wanted you to leave me because they thought I was a lost cause, but you believed in me. You seen something in me when others didn't. You have shown me how to be a lover, how to be a father, and hopefully, one day, your husband. So if you guys didn't hear, she did say yes, and she shedded a tear. I appreciate you, Leslie. Okay, show them the ring. Show them the ring. Show them the ring. Yeah, there it is. All right, I gotta take Casey now. Give me a kiss for good luck.
Okay, go see what's wrong.
Yes.
One more.
This was cool. She knew, but it was good. Are you gonna hang out with us now or no? Thank you.
One mushroom.
One mushroom?
Yeah, I love mushrooms. I love mushrooms.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Sam and I got the filet mignon. That's my food right there. Got the filet mignon, some scallops, noodles, fried rice, fried vegetables. How do you like the food so far?
Yeah,
You like it?
I like it.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I just got done watching Top Gun 2. As you can see, I'm a big fan. Highly recommend. That's it for the vlog today. And I will see you guys tomorrow for the next video. For me, it's tomorrow, but for you guys, it's the next video. We're going to be going to Universal for the last day. And it's going to be awesome. Islands of Adventure. I'll see you guys later. Peace. I might hit up some voodoo, what's it called? Voodoo donuts. I'm going to be buying a whole bunch of stuff, so yeah. Alright guys, peace out. Much love.